Hi everyone, it's Fan Mail Friday time and I am so excited to share with you what's come in the mail this week. My goodness, every single week is such a joy. Actually, every single day is a joy. I get the mail around 2 o'clock and I open it and I think about you and I'm so excited to show you what I got. So this week, Doris made me a window box card and look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Not only did she do the window box card with white chipboard kind of cardstock, it's nice and rigid, she sent me handmade chocolate as well. And Doris, I've got a really great little sneak peek for you. Everybody mailing in these padded envelopes, these cost a fortune. I've got brand new envelopes coming just for this purpose. They're coming in August, I think. We called them the big fat card envelopes. So hopefully you'll be happy to hear that little sneak peek right here in Fan Mail Friday. Next up, I have a card from Yadira. Oh, thank you. You're so kind. And you used one of our very first card making kits to make this card. I recognize it because I have it in my closet in my office. It's so beautiful. She's thanking me for all of her grab bag giveaway stuff, and she's going to make an incredible album, a tribute to her grandmother who was in the layout that we picked. So that's a real sweet treat. Next up, this is from Teresa. She says, can you improve on a master? And I think she meant the old masters of all these little beautiful French posters here. But I think maybe she meant me too. I don't know. But thank you, Teresa. You and your art therapy. I hope keep it going. Keep up the good work. And thank you for sending me a card. Oh, and I have one that's a little tardy to the party. It's from Terrence and John, and it says to the fathers on staff at Anna Griffin. It was for Father's Day, and it didn't make it into last week's Fan Mail Friday. But I love the tie, and isn't that cute? The greatest gift a child could ever have comes from God. We call him Dad. And I definitely shared this with those in our office, so I don't want you to think I held it at my desk. And last but not least, we have a beautiful layered scenes card from Susan, and that is so pretty. I love how you used the die cuts with the scenes to give it even more exaggeration, and she embossed the background. So pretty, and she's congratulating me on our HSN Vendor of the Year award and customer excellence. Yeah, thanks. I know, I need to make myself a t-shirt, don't I? Maybe you'll see that soon too. Bye for now.